So, welcome to my house. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do like terms. Like this one right here. Like terms have the same variables. Like this. So, how can you solve 3 times 10z divided by 10z minus 7? That's a big challenge. So, what we're gonna do is get our pens out, get prepared. Get ready for this. 10 and 3 times 10z is going to equal 30z. And 10z minus 7 is going to equal to 3z. So 30z divided by 3z is going to equal to 10z. 10z. Now how you can simplify this is you can times the first number. There's two ways you can do this. You can times it first, or do the subtracting first. Whatever you want. But it has to be inside the parentheses. Till next time,